Hello there, it's Intake Villa here. I'll be speaking in English today because we have an English-speaking guest from overseas. So, Pokepuff's request from Pokemon X&Y. Hey, I should have known it's lovely! There are 5 flavors of Pokepuffs. Sweet, mint, citrus, mocha, and spice. Strawberries are sweet and pink. Let's say our Pokepuffs are bitterly minty, like matcha. Because I have a real nice, genuine Uji matcha from Kyoto, Japan. Citrus is for lemon and orange, obviously. Coffee and chocolatey mocha. And lastly, let's have our Pokepuff spiced with nutmeg and cinnamon. Let's begin with tasty creams for filling. Yolks, sugar, vanilla extract mixed up first, and flour too through a sieve. 1/3 of hot milk first, and the rest. Then we are ready to make custard cream. Thicken this on a mid-low heat, constantly stirring, and now we have some custard cream. Let it chill and get the butter whipped. And get them together. Let's divide this in half. Finish with a little more vanilla. We'll fill sweet Pokepuff with this, plus strawberry jam. Let's finish the other half with some matcha powder. Put these in a pastry bag and we have some sweet Pokepuff and minty Pokepuff filling ready. Do this over but this time with some espresso shots, substituting equal amount of milk. Stir heat and chill. Finish with whipped butter to get mocha Pokepuff filling. Finish this time with nutmeg and cinnamon and melted dark chocolate for spiced Pokepuff filling. We'll use lemon curd for citrus Pokepuff filling. But first, let me reserve some lemon zest. Okay, juice 1 lemon completely and mix the juice with an egg and sugar. Thicken just like what we did before. Melt some butter in, chill, and then finish with some more whipped butter. Now with this citrus Pokepuff cream, we have all 5 filling cream ready. Let's continue with all the ornaments on Pokepuffs. Work almond powder and powdered sugar in a blender. Add some corn syrup and vanilla extract and work the blender several more times. Now we'll knead this into marzipan. Perhaps with some more water? Okay, knead. A fancier way to say push hard on the bowl. Anyway, let's wrap the dough and leave it in the fridge for half an hour. Done? Now with this matcha, ready to eat soft cooked chestnuts. We'll make the acorn on the autumn Pokepuff. Ta-da! Let's get some more marzipan and have those colored with food colorings. On a powdered sugar dusted surface, roll the marzipan into a pillar and make cuts lengthways. Twirl this a little and we have a body of a candle. With the orange one, make a cone and paste on the top of the candle. 3 lit candles. Cookies, let's light up. Beat butter, add sugar and beat again. A little bit of milk and beat again lightly. Add dry ingredients all together through a sieve and mix lightly. And now we have our cookie dough. Let's keep it in the fridge for an hour. Now on a flour dusted surface, roll the dough thin. Cut into stars for honor Pokepuff. And into biscuit shapes for winter Pokepuff. Piqué with fork and bake for 18 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. Meringue cookies for spring Pokepuff. Let's get our egg white whipped, gradually adding sugar and some lemon juice till we have this firm, creamy meringue. Mix dry ingredients in and make cherry blossoms with star-shaped tips. Finish with sprinkles in the center and bake for an hour and a half at 100 degrees Celsius. Chocolate ornaments at last. Double boil white chocolate on hot water and melt until smooth. Put some in a pastry bag and write the chocolate letters for birthday Pokepuff. Attach 2 white chocolate shells with the melted chocolate to make the snowman on winter Pokepuff. Add some yellow food colorings and draw stars, moons, and maple leaves. Make red chocolate for snowman's muffler and another maple leaf. Dark chocolate for ball-shaped ornament on honor Pokepuff. Chocolate disc and another leaf. Enough with all these intros. Let's bake cream puffs. Bring to boil butter, milk, water, and salt. Turn off the heat and add flour through a sieve. Turn back on the heat and kind of stir-fry the dough till we see some white plaque-like thing on the bottom of the skillet. Chill a little bit and add eggs one by one. For the last egg, add tiny amounts each time till the dough leaves a long triangular tail like this. part of this becomes citrus pocket puff with yellow food coloring and sweet pocket puff with strawberry powder and red food coloring. Make 4 to 6 diameter circles using the pastry bag. Spray some water on and bake. 15 minutes at 200 degrees, 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Repeat with the remaining dough with matcha powder and some more egg. Repeat the whole thing, this time with coffee instead of water, to get mocha pocket puff dough ready. And with little cinnamon and cocoa powder, spice pocket puff dough's ready too. Spray water and bake. And now we have so many cream puffs. Make a hole at the bottom and start filling. Sweet pocket puff with strawberry jam and vanilla custard cream. Citrus pocket puff with lemon curd cream. Spice pocket puff with spice choco cream. Mint pocket puff with matcha custard cream. And mocha pocket puff with coffee custard cream. Let's make a quick sugar glaze with powdered sugar and milk. Put the glaze on. We'll put ganache on too. Pour boiling fresh cream on white chocolate and melt. Take some of it and add strawberry jam and red food color. Pour it on to make basic and fancy variety. Repeat with lemon zest and yellow food color, and matcha ganache and dark chocolate ganache too. We'll make creams for frosted and deluxe variety with remaining ganache and this fresh cream. Put some on for the winter pocket puff first. Mix some with the remaining matcha ganache and put on to make frosted and deluxe ones. Repeat. Phew, just one more. Let's make dangos for summer pocket puff topping. I really want to eat too. Blend sticky rice powder, salt, hot water to form a dough. Take some for white dango and make red, blue, green dango with food colorings. Cook the dango in a boiling water until it floats. Chill it in the iced water. Soak these in the leftover cinnamon syrup from yakgwa I made the other day. Finally, let's finish. Cherries, moon chocolate, wafer rolls. Our 5 flavored pocket puffs in 4 varieties are complete. Winter pocket puff, autumn pocket puff, summer pocket puff, spring pocket puff. The last 2 special varieties too, honor pocket puff and birthday pocket puff. Oops, too heavy, sorry. Let's just say we're done. 20 different plus seasonal pocket puffs complete. Now, aren't these beautiful? I'll help myself. Oh, cream puffs. How could they be soft and kind of crispy at the same time? Well, I have to admit, there were lots of things I could have done better. I should have not let the shelf of my fridge have a taste. And I should have known that matcha and strawberry powders could shrink the size of the shoe. Well, maybe I should have thought twice about how the creams are gonna look to make it look more like the Poke Puff in the games. Well, but still, they're tasty. Unlike Poke Puff, it is called hohure in Japanese and pople in Korean, which means poke souffle. So Poke Puffs could have been souffle cakes. But well, this time I think I needed some horde of cream puffs. And I'm completely satisfied. Thanks, Sean, for giving me the opportunity to bake a whole horde of cream puffs. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks, and bye.